Good morning and welcome to another video. So today we are going to be in the garden. I don't know how much because I've been in the garden for the last 4 days. It's a long weekend and I am so sore. Like every part of my body is sore right now. So I'm not sure how much time I'm gonna be spending in the garden. I want to weed the circle garden and I'll kind of give you a little view of that. And then I wanted to do the pots, but I don't have a centerpiece, so maybe that's gonna be next week. And then I would like to bake a orange cake because I have a bunch of oranges and I kind of want to do a cake. And maybe make some nice lemonade and then sit outside and enjoy the patio and then just a view of my hard work. And now we're just gonna go outside. And to keep my hair just with body, I put it up in a top knot and then I wrap it at night and that's it. And then in the morning, when I let it out, it looks like this for a week and a half and heavy gardening and heat. All right, let's go to the garden. All right, the sun is killing me. I did one row of the circle garden. I need to do another row. The way I'm doing it is I'm doing 14 red ones, so 7 on either side, and then 11 purple in the middle. I think it's gonna be really pretty, especially when the bobo hydrangeas, they get nice and big. Those are petunias I was planting. So when they get nice and big, I think it's gonna be spectacular because it goes from white. The bobo hydrangeas are gonna, I think they go from white to pink. So I decided to come in and just kind of take a moment inside, and I'm gonna make my cake now. I figured that's the best way to do it. I'm gonna make my cake and then I'll be able to come in and have a nice snack. Sorry. So actually, let me go brush my hair because I look a little crazy, and then I'll come back and we will bake together. In the way. So I don't know if I told you, but I am making an olive oil cake. Well, it's an orange cake, olive oil cake, but it's made with olive oil and oranges, so it's really good. It's really delicious. So let me start baking. don't think I need it, and then I start, and then I need it. It's the wrong recipe. Shoot. That's okay. Okay. Darn it. I was making the wrong recipe. I'm like, wait, that doesn't make sense. I was making the wrong recipe this whole time. Darn it. You now have to compensate. So I need more flour, too much baking powder. There's nothing I can do with this. Okay, we're gonna make 2 recipes. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna continue the one I was doing. That was actually a blueberry recipe. So I'm gonna make the blueberries. It happens. Oh my gosh. Okay, thumbnail. This looks really pretty. I am just gonna do both. Thank goodness this does not take any butter because there is no melted butter. So I need 1 egg. I cannot believe I just did that. Now let's make what I was supposed to make. Blueberry muffins are done. I believe I made blueberry muffins. I'm supposed to be making orange cake. I can't believe, I'm still shocked. Anyways, let's go, let's keep going. Okay, so now I need, oh, I got like these scooper thingies on Amazon. They're actually pretty good. This one's a little big for me sometimes, but they come in like 3 different sizes. Water. Oh. So I am done. The cake, hold on, let me show you. The cake is finished. And then I went ahead, I did the blueberry muffin, and I also made cookies, and I might have eaten 2 of them. Maybe, not sure yet. I think that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go back in the garden, but I don't think I am going to film anymore for today, because I feel like I've made the rice, I've baked, I've done a lot. I was in the garden this morning. I'm gonna be in the garden again. So I think what I wanna do is for the big pots, I think I wanna record it in another video because it's just gonna take a long time, and you've already seen my meal plan. This week I'm having chicken, vegetables, and I'm having rice. I'll say chicken, but also fish. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna have. Can you tell I'm exhausted? Like tonight, I think I'm just gonna have a bubble bath and just relax. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Have a great day. Bye.